that it was in 1970s when China, basically started to distance itself from USSR and had relationship with USA to open up its economy, right? So it expresses the end of China's political and economic isolation and establishment of relations with the US. So this is a political scenario where China makes friendly attempts with the US, and it reveals that USA entered into a secret understanding with China, keeping the USSR in dark. Clear? This man is Chinese now.
मैम ये माओ की फोटोग्राफ है,
Yes,
लाइक
this
माओ
is
का
Mao
कार्टून है.
Zedong. Yes, this is Mao Zedong, and USA, this is Richard Nixon, and USSR is Lev Brezhnev.
ओके.
Lev Lev Brezhnev, Brezhnev. USA, this is Richard Nixon, and China, this is Mao Zedong, or you can just write Mao also. Clear? Now the second picture. Should I continue?
यस मैम.
The second picture is depicting the American misadventure in Vietnam. Okay. So in Vietnam, this kind of a war was happening. US entered Vietnam War because it was worried about communists gaining power in the conflict between North and South Vietnam. And USA was standing for the ideology of capitalism, right? Capitalism and liberal democracy. It was against socialism and communism. So USA was afraid कि Vietnam में भी communist ideology ना आ जाए, so it entered into Vietnam War. So it is showing US President Lyndon B. Johnson, as it's written here also, President Johnson. Right, so America tried to impose an elected government there, but it backfired. As you can see, the crab is, tackling President Johnson itself. तो यूएसए ने सोचा कि हम एक elected government बनाते हैं और वहां पे elected government को impose कर देते हैं. But no, Vietnam did not allow that. In 1973, America suffered defeat in this war with Vietnam. In spite of powerful troops and forces, America suffered defeat. You note that. Because America lost on its own home soil as nobody supported them within America itself. Right? America का जो ये action था, Americans ने ही support नहीं किया. They say you are wrong. Why are you entering in some foreign country and showing so much interest there? करेक्ट. तो वहां की मीडिया, वहां की सोसाइटी ने, सिटीजन्स ने ही अपनी कंट्री को सपोर्ट नहीं करा. Americans citizens opposed this war, and 71% of Americans voted against America's decision. So US failed to achieve the objectives and a peace settlement was signed. So आपका यूएस हेजेमनी चैप्टर अब डिलीट हो गया है, बट जब हम यूएस हेजेमनी पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें हम देखते हैं कि जैसे यूएस से सोल पावर है, तो यूएसए को कौन रोक सकता है? तो उसमें वन ऑफ द फैक्टर इज देयर ओन पीपल, देयर मीडिया, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड इन वियतनाम. क्लियर? क्रैब है, लॉबस्टर है, जो भी है, वियत कॉन्ग ना, वियतनामीज कांग्रेस वहां पे इम्पोज करने की कोशिश करी ना यूएसए ने, और उसी कांग्रेस ने बैकफायर किया, मतलब यूएसए का साथ बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया. ओके, हो गई हैं दोनों पिक्चर्स क्लियर?
सेकंड वाला नहीं समझ आया.
अरे मतलब खुशी बेटा, ये देखो यूएसए ने क्या करा, वियतनाम में वहां के लोगों की एक कांग्रेस बनाने की कोशिश करी. ठीक है, कि हम तुम्हारे लोगों को मतलब एक तुम्हारे लोगों जैसे वियतनामीज लोगों को ही बोला कि अब आप ये वियतनाम कांग्रेस बना लो, इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स बन जाओ और हैंडल करो. तो उन्हीं लोगों ने यूएसए का साथ छोड़ दिया. क्लियर हो गई? और किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है इस पिक्चर में?
नो मैम।
ओके फाइन। देन योर सेकंड, इसमें तो एज सच कोई पिक्चर है ही नहीं इस चैप्टर में, तो
मैम
बस ये बर्लिन वॉल की है, ये हमने कर ली थी अभी रिसेंटली, राइट? Yeah, I was right. No picture in this. Chapter 3 related, no picture from chapter 3. Then coming on chapter 4, your new centers of power. Right? So, what? हाँ, अब तक तो देखो चैप्टर 3 में से ज्यादातर कार्टून्स आते थे। जो अभी मैंने चैप्टर 1 के कार्टून कराए हैं ना तुम्हें, यूएसएसआर, यूएस एंड चाइना रिलेशनशिप, एंड सेकंड वन अमेरिकाज मिस एडवेंचर इन वियतनाम, आज तक वो दोनों पिक्चर्स आई नहीं है, ठीक है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट सो कंटेक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंट, बट फिर भी हमें तो करनी होती है टू बी ऑन अ सेफर साइड। नाउ दीज टू पिक्चर्स एज इट स्टार्ट्स इन न्यू सेंटर्स ऑफ पावर. As the description describes, they are representing the two phases of the history of China. The rise of China. This is under Mao, right? Communism, closed doors. And this is what China now looks like with open doors, right? This is what China has made itself into now. Now coming to this यूरोपियन यूनियन फ्लैग करोगे, इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन करोगे अच्छे से, व्हाट डज इट स्टैंड्स फॉर. Then do this map as well, old members of European Union and new members. These all new members were those who immediately joined after the disintegration of USSR. Okay. Then this picture. So this picture depicts the European Union's initiative to draft a constitution, to draft a common constitution, failed miserably. It is shown as a Titanic, like Titanic ship, it hit a glacier and it drowned. So similarly, European Union's effort to make a common constitution for all the countries, this effort also failed, right? They do have a common currency, anthem, flag, and a founding date, but not a constitution. So Titanic ship with European Union's flag imprinted on it is used to portray that the ship was drowned and could not reach to its destination. Similarly, EU also failed to make a common constitution. Okay, clear?
मैम शिप को क्या बताया आपने मैम?
हाँ बोलो बेटा।
वाला क्या बताया कि
रिद्धि आवाज नहीं समझ आती बेटा, रिद्धि समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बोल रहे हो आप।
मैम अब आ रही है?
हाँ जी, कॉमन करेंसी, एंथम, फ्लैग और फाउंडिंग डेट है, बट कॉमन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं है। ओके रिद्धि, आपका बेटा कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बोल रहे हो, आप टाइप कर दो।
ओके।
एंड अक्षय, यू ज्वाइन क्लास वेरी लेट। कोई अटेंडेंस नहीं दूंगी मैं, और ना इंटरनल में अटेंडेंस के नंबर दूंगी अगर इस तरह से लेट लेट आओगे तो। और आपके जो फ्रेंड्स, कार्तिक को भी बोल देना कि क्लास में आया करे।
ओके, मैं पहले से हूँ, अब लगाइए काउंटडाउन।
Riddhi, ship was not able to reach its destination as Yes, exactly. So it is depicted like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is your next one, the ASEAN flag. You will do this also with description. And then ये वाली picture तो मैंने अभी समझाई थी recently. ये clear है? Skip कर दूँ ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then this picture, is this one also clear? ये भी अभी कराई. The two things depicting China is the face of the dragon and this great wall, right? Two symbols. ये बहुत बार आती है picture. The China is represented with the help of two symbols, Great Wall of China and the dragon. This shows China's economic rise. China adopted communism, and according to it, you know, earlier capitalists exploited the working class, right? So that's why for a very long time, China was isolated from the capitalist world. Its doors were closed under the leadership of Mao. But in 1970s, change in leadership happened and they came up with reforms of open door policy as well as four modernizations, and then they opened SEZs, special economic zones, and they ended their economic isolation and developed relation with America. So it shows China's economic rise since then. Now the man who is trying to stop is, you know, different interpretations are there. First interpretation, that this small man who is trying to stop you know, China's economic rise is Lee Kuan Yew. Okay, which Lee Kuan Yew was Prime Minister of Singapore, as he wanted only communism. So he did not want China to, you know, leave communism and have capitalist features in its economy. So this small man can be represented as the ideology of communism. That now communism cannot stop the rise of China. Okay. Lee Kuan Yew, Lee, Lee, KONYOU. फिर ये दोनों पिक्चर्स भी हमने अभी करी थी, एक स्किप कर दूं या ये कराऊं दोबारा?
हम skip कर दो.
Okay. So this chapter is also done. Do read this box of Japan on the last page, because Japan is also one of the new emerging. तो जापान के बारे में कुछ facts यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. The famous companies that belong to Japan, and Japan is very famous for high technology products. Second World War के बाद जापान में रैपिड प्रोग्रेस हुई. नाउ इट इज मेंबर ऑफ G8, 10th most populous nation in the world. ओके, डू रीड दिस बॉक्स. कभी कभी आ जाता है इसमें से 1-2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन. कोई बात नहीं, वो पिछला एडिशन होगा या नया एडिशन होगा ना आपका G7 वाला. ठीक है, ये पुराना एडिशन खुलेगा.
G8 में क्या होता है, मतलब ये होती किसके लिए?
I can't tell you the names of members right now, Harshita, but group of 8, group of 7 is lesser the number, the more the powerful the country is.
ओके, तो मैम मतलब बेसिकली ग्रुप ऑफ कंट्रीज हैं बस, इनका कोई मेन एजेंडा वगैरह कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं, they meet actually. They decide on the policies and, you know, the agendas. They discuss issues of sustainable development and how they are going by. एक बार देख लो ना, एनसीईआरटी की वेबसाइट खोलो, लेटेस्ट एडिशन आ जाएगा. व्हाई डोंट यू करेक्ट योर फैक्ट्स? ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस पिक्चर, इज दिस वन क्लियर और शुड आई डिस्कस?
मैम बता दो.
Okay, so it shows the dual role of Pakistan's Pervez Musharraf, General Pervez Musharraf, as you can see here. Dual role कैसे हुआ? He is also the president as well as he is the army general. So these equations, they are speaking about dominance of one person militarily and also as the president, right? So it shows that Musharraf wants to command the country militarily as well as administratively, both to strengthen his power, because president's survival is not easy without military support in Pakistan. In 1999, he did a military coup and later on established his role when he toppled off Nawaz Sharif. So Pakistan has failed to establish a democracy. Okay? Because of these factors which we studied here, dominance of clergy, landowning aristocracy, pro-military groups, as well as Western countries. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then coming to this picture, this is Sri Lankan leader, President Rajapakse, and he is trying to balance the conflict between Sinhalas represented by this lion and Sri Lankan Tamils represented with this tiger, who formed LTTE, Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam, and demanded a separate Tamil state for themselves in the northeastern parts of Sri Lanka. Correct? So it is reflecting the civil war that happened. Clear? देखो लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे राजा पाकसे. Okay, clear? Former president. Okay, now this picture, it shows former Indian Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and Pakistan's General Pervez Musharraf. It depicts that India-Pakistan relations are, kind of a puzzle. The issues that they might be discussing or they want to discuss can be like Kashmir dispute, terrorism, or water dispute, and how both the the terrorist groups try to instigate both the countries against each other. So India and Pakistan have been on the verge of wars. So that is why you see around them bunkers are formed. ठीक है, सैक्स पड़ी हुई है यहाँ पे इतनी सारी, तो एक तरह से बंकर की फॉर्म में है. और रिलेशनशिप और नेगोशिएट करना ही एक पजल की तरह है, क्योंकि इतने सारे इश्यूज है दोनों कंट्री के बीच में दैट दे आर ऑलवेज ऑन अ वर्ज ऑफ वॉर. सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक्स हैव बीन हैपनिंग. So there is no concrete solution till date. So any issue can be asked. The various issues that we discussed, they are there between India and Pakistan that can be asked relating to this picture. Okay, clear? Then this picture, SAARC summit. So this is discussing what? Basically, as you can see on the table, various countries are mentioned who are member of SAARC, but the cartoon depicts the ever-going disputes that are there between India and Pakistan. So the two main key players of South Asia, they never cooperate with each other. That means India and Pakistan are two key players and they never cooperate with each other. So that is the first problem of SAARC. They do not even attend SAARC summits regularly. Even in 2016, when India did surgical strike in Pakistan, India along with many other countries did not attend the SAARC summit. So SAARC ineffective रहता है क्योंकि SAARC के दो इंटीग्रल मेंबर्स ही आपस में कोऑपरेट नहीं करते और उनके साथ स्टैंड लेने के चक्कर में बाकी साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज डिवाइडेड रहती है, राइट? सो बोथ ASEAN and SAARC were set up so that serious disputes are settled down and cooperation is ensured. But SAARC has been less successful as compared to ASEAN. राइट, बिकॉज सार्क के जो ये दो मेंबर्स हैं इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान, इनमें इतने कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है दैट देयर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल टू बी हैंडल्ड. ओके, क्लियर? Is it clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the time up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये लास्ट पिक्चर करा दो, फिर ये यहाँ तक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा ये वाला चैप्टर. ओके,
मैम फिर बाकी सब कब करवाओगे?
कल करवा दूंगी.
मैम पर तो कल तो प्रिपरेटरी ऑफ है.
कल प्रिपरेटरी है तो कोई बात नहीं, लिख के व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
ठीक है मैम.
तनीषा मेरे को ना एक बार कल बेटा याद दिला देना लेकिन एक बार. ठीक है?
ओके
मैम
मैम.
कार्टून डिस्क्रिप्शन भेज दो. So
Okay,
this
ma'am.
this picture, the first cartoon is showing that Parvez Musharraf is angry at China over here. See, he is spitting out fire, right? As it is being way too much friendly with India. So Pakistan and China have, always shared a very good relationship in the past. During the 1971 Indo-Pak War, when Bangladesh crisis happened, China and USA supported Pakistan. India and China had a war in 1962 and relations deteriorated. But now they improved, right? At least economically, we are having good relationship with China. So India and China, as you can see, are exchanging agreements, and that is not okay with Pakistan. Pakistan wants China to stick to core issues only with India. Clear? हालांकि अभी इक्वेशन फिर चेंज हो गई है. ये पुराना कार्टून है, एज यू कैन सी. यहाँ पे जो लीडर है वो भी पुराना है. यस, वाजपेयी. इन द सेकंड कार्टून चाइना का नहीं, चाइना का तो इवन आई कांट मेक आउट. चाइना का जो ये लीडर है, इस पे डिबेट है कौन सा लीडर है, बट दिस इज वाजपेयी. ओके
मैम ये जो वाजपेयी के टाइम पर जो चाइना में जो लीडर होगा वही होगा फिर वो.
हाँ, हो सकता है वही हो, बट डोंट नो, फिगर आउट नहीं होता कभी. सिर्फ ये फिगर फेस को सिर्फ चाइनीज बनाते हैं, राइट? इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अटैच कि कौन सा लीडर है स्पेसिफिकली. तो इसमें मत पढ़ो, जब नहीं है तो नहीं है. ठीक है? So in the second picture, Indo-Pak relations and role of USA is shown in South Asian region. That USA has good relations with both India and Pakistan, and here it's working as a mediator, right? So US is shown as a referee in tennis court between India and Pakistan, and a ball is depicting the bone of contention, that is Kashmir. देखो बिल्कुल बीच में पड़ी है लाइन पे, रेफरी यूएसए है. बोथ आर पॉइंटिंग, राइट? बोथ द कंट्रीज नेवर स्टॉप फाइटिंग ओवर कश्मीर, एंड द इशू इज इन यूनाइटेड नेशंस एज वेल. क्लियर?
यस.
ठीक है, चलो फिर अब अच्छे से कर लेना सब कुछ. कोई डाउट होता है या कुछ है तो आई नो कल से प्रिपरेटरी है, तो लाइक 8th 9th 10th, इफ यू ऑल आर हैविंग सम डाउट्स, ज्यादा डाउट्स है कुछ है, तो आई कैन अरेंज फॉर अ डाउट क्लास इन बिटवीन. ओके, सो लेट मी नो.